guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video. Look at this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? This is the new Huawei Mate X3, the slimmest smartphone that I've come across so far. Fantastic aesthetics, ultra slim as you can see it. Absolutely powerful performance packed inside this beauty, and we're going to tell you everything about it and everything about its luxurious looks and premium build. A fantastic piece of hardware and a great productivity tool at the same time. Now, but before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notification and I keep getting all the motivation to keep bringing these amazing videos to you. Now, look, this is a design beauty. Let me get rid of the cover that I've put on it so that we can have a proper look at the smartphone. It comes with this cover, and along with that, the battery and the charger. Of course, I'm going to tell you everything about it. So, beautiful, gorgeous design, absolute fantastic build, gives you that feeling. Large foldable screen, as you can see. We're going to tell you everything about it, and at the same time, very beautiful grip to give you that feel of holding a regular phone at the same time. It's a great looking phone, and it is the slimmest. You know, when we say it's the slimmest, it is just absolutely the slimmest. When it's unfolded, it's literally 5.3 mm, and when it's folded, it's 11.08 mm. So it's literally the slimmest smartphone, and I can't say more about that. It's just gorgeous. You need to get your hands on one to actually enjoy it. So beautiful, comes in two beautiful colors. This is the dark green vegan leather color. And then we have, it also comes in classic black, which is a feather glass design. And that is another beauty in itself. So two beautiful colors and fantastic technology, weighing lightweight, not just ultra slim, it's lightweight as well. The vegan glass version, the vegan leather version is, and the sandglass version, black sandglass version, 239 gram and 241 grams. So beautiful, literally lightweight, beautiful, gorgeous. And when you look at the folding, it's just thin, not just thin and light, it's got all round folding impact. You hardly can see any bend, and that comes from the new generation multi-dimensional hinge, which is fantastic, and everything that is you see here is made from patented Huawei technologies and Huawei's home-built material. So, which is fantastic. They self-develop everything in this, and nothing comes from outsourcing it. So fantastic, and it's the industry's first slimmest, and not just that, industry's first feather sand glass technology as well. Now, looking at the beautiful size of it, 7.85 inches of foldable OLED, 88.9% screen to body ratio, 2224 by 2496 pixels of resolution, 426 ppi density, 1.07 billion colors, 120 Hz of refresh rate, and full P3 wide color gamut. And when you fold it, the screen in the front, that's 6.4 inches of OLED display. Now this is protected by Corning glass, which is the most innovative glass technology. We'll tell you a little bit more about it in a bit. But this in the front, you've got the 1080p by 2504 pixels of resolution, and again 120 Hz of refresh rate, P3 wide color gamut, 426 ppi density, and 1.07 billion colors. Now these two are fantastic, not just absolutely ultra clear, but at the same time very reliable screens as well. Corning glass exterior and anti-impact interior screen on the unfolded inside, and Huawei X3 technology, which is a trademark technology. An excellent display it gives out is fantastic. I've been enjoying this for the last few days, and I've absolutely loved it, especially watching content on it. I've been watching content on it literally almost every day, along with working, of course. It's not just only watch videos. It's absolutely accurate colors, true to life. What you see in real life is what you see on the screen. It's fantastic. Now, Kunlun glass coating. Now, this is what I want to talk about a little bit more. Now, it comprises of 10 quadrillion levels of nanocrystal. This is made possible by composite ion strengthening, 24-hour nanocrystal growth at high temperatures, 108-step microcrystalline matrix material, and 1600 degree Celsius platinum smelting technology. Now, this makes Kunlun the glass as the 10 times more strong, drop resistant against the traditional glasses, so which is fantastic. And when you go inside, now this is another piece of innovation in itself. It's the first impact resistant non-Newtonian fluid material. That means it adjusts its density depending on the kind of impact. So that means if you're just slowly folding it, it stays fluid, but if something falls on it on impact, it takes the hard shape, so that it reduces the impacts and makes it 4 times more impact resistant. Now, which is great. Now, because again, in real life scenarios, different kind of things can impact. So this is done fantastically well. Anti-reflection layer, and it supports 4440 hertz of PWM dimming, which means even in the brightest of the sunlight, you can enjoy the full experience of it. It's got intelligent light sensitive display, and it automatically not just the brightness, but the pixel display also adjusts automatically. It also has small multi-window and dual screen layout, vertical split screen or horizontal split screen. I'll show you the moment I tilt, it automatically goes the other way around. And of course, the multi-window experience is fantastic. You can do vertical split, horizontal split, or multi-window split. It's all in the settings there. And of course, when it's in the semi-flex mode, which is this way, it has so either it goes on the always on mode. Let me see if I can turn this on. Here we go. As you can see, always on display on a half, and the next other half is absolutely blank. And of course, in the video call, as you can see in the picture, the top area goes for the video, and the bottom will give you all the controls of muting, unmuting, and exiting the call at the same time. And this is the first foldable smartphone to have dual tube Redland certifications for color accuracy and precise color projection. Now, this is fantastic. You know, when you look at a quality product like this, and it just has everything that you need to make it your day-to-day phone, like I've been using it. I'll continue to use it for every single day for as long as it lasts, until they bring out with the new version of it next year, and I'll probably have that one as well. IPX8 water resistance, and it has the screen has a special wet hand control. Now, this is from an upgraded touch algorithm. That means even with a little bit of sprinkle of water on it, the touch controls will not slip out, which is in the case of some of the conventional glasses. Fantastic. Now, what powers it under the hood is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform, octa-core chipset, Adreno 730 on GPU, 7th generation Qualcomm AI engine, EMUI 13.1, 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB option, 4800 megahertz of battery with 66 watt wired Huawei Supercharge and 50 watt wireless Huawei Supercharge. Now, when it comes to the camera, Ultra Vision X rear camera. Now, this design is inspired by portholes of the space station. So space age porthole design. It's got and this particular ring around is absolutely fantastic. It has the satin finish and at the same time polished surface finish as well. Now, this is made with custom diamond blade. It took 29 processes and 12 hours to make this as gorgeous as it is. 50 megapixel camera on the primary, which is a wide angle camera, 8 megapixel Paris telephoto camera, and 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. This can shoot 4K videos that's up to 60 frames per second. And then in the front, you've got the 8 megapixel selfie camera, which is again a f2.4 aperture wide angle camera. Now, but some of the technologies they put in: XD Fusion Pro Texture Engine, which is an AI learning algorithm specifically designed for textured surfaces like crystals, fabric, or oil painting. So you get all the details to the depth of it. and it's got upgraded portrait mode style, strength and X style images, and flex top photography, time lapse, and every single thing that you want in a premium smartphone. So guys, a great device. Let us know if you have any questions regarding the display or the smartphone itself, and I'll be happy to have them answered. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.